What's the meaning of avenge? Avenge. Avenge.
Avenge. Avenge. The word avenge means to seek revenge for a harm or wrongdoing that has been committed against oneself or another person. It's an attempt to rectify the injustice by retaliating in some way, often through violent means. A successful act of vengeance would result in the person who committed the wrong being punished or otherwise made to suffer for their actions. However, seeking revenge can often perpetuate a cycle of violence and damage relationships, making it important to consider other forms of justice and conflict resolution.